Welcome to SentiSum at London Tech Week 2025. Day one yesterday was really full of energy and some great speakers throughout the day. It was fantastic to see the Prime Minister open it in the morning. We also had a fantastic day as SentiSum as we brought some of our new messaging into the market. We had some fantastic conversations with people passing by. Very curious about how we're reshaping the industry around the voice of customer. So that's a wrap then on London Tech Week. It's been a brilliant 3 days. We've spent the last 3 days really productively talking to many prospects who have come by and shown curiosity in our platform, some of the innovations that we're driving, some of the fantastic customers that we're working with. We also hosted a lovely breakfast on Tuesday morning with some of our dearest customers and talked about the product innovations that we're bringing to market. And it's really been a very productive 3 days. Talking to a lot of people. We even ran a poll of what does voice of customer mean for a lot of people, got some really interesting insights, and we go away from here really energized about our journey ahead and look forward to seeing you all next year.